In this video, I will share with you 7 secret ways to make him worry about losing you. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I will share with you the 7 secret ways on how to make him worry about losing you, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you behaving as a high value or a low value woman, which I will drop down in the video description box below. And also recently I published my book, which is called Devoted Relationships. You can get it on Amazon if you would like to learn how to behave high value from the core. And if you like my merch, Ghost and Not the Drama, you can get it on my YouTube store or on my website. So now, without further ado, how to make him worry about losing you. Should you actually make him fear of losing you? And if you should, how to do it in a healthy way rather than playing a game for attention. Here comes the number 1. Improve yourself. Always keep improving, grow as a person, aim to be the best self. When you keep improving yourself, you are evolving, you are growing, and you are not staying stagnant. Aiming to be the best of yourself is not only enjoyable for you, as every step that you take towards it makes you feel more valuable and worthy, but it's also very attractive for others as you are not staying the same all the time. Think about it, right? How many times do you like to read the same book? After a couple of times, it gets boring, correct? But what if the pages never end and then there is always something new in each chapter to learn? And this is exactly how your personal growth gives a healthy amount of uncertainty to the opposite sex, keeps him wondering and makes him fall in love with you, and naturally fear of losing you, as hello, who wouldn't? You are amazing. Number 2, and I cannot say this enough, boundaries. Make him fear of losing you by standing up for yourself, by not trying to please him, especially when he is wrong. Usually the way things go in the beginning, the guy charms the girl, he behaves correctly, he pursues her, he sweeps her off her feet, he goes out of her way to please her. She starts to really like him, and then she starts to please him back. There is nothing wrong with it if the pleasing happening is done in a healthy way. We as people, we should always please each other. We should be pleasant to one another. We should enjoy each other's company, right? However, a lot of times when the guy feels that he's got the girl, he might start to test her to see, can she stand up for herself? Can she stand her ground? Is she a woman who respects and values herself? Is she a woman who has her own opinion? Or will she just do everything in order to please him because now she looks like she's head over heels in love and will jump whenever he clicks his fingers? For ladies, when you are going to start to feel here and there that perhaps you're being tested by him, or perhaps he started to disrespect you, or maybe you disagree with something that he's saying, show him that you are not going to do things in order to please him, especially if what he's telling you to do is the wrong thing. You will show that by not jumping whenever he clicks his fingers. By setting up boundaries, you show him with your action that you value yourself. You do not allow people to abuse you, bully, manipulate, and use you, which makes others respect and value you instead. Setting a boundary requires a lot of strength, and by setting it in, you are showing that, look, if you're not going to treat me with respect, I do not have a place for you in my life. And when people sense your strength after experiencing a few boundaries, not only the respect for you increases, but also they start to see you as more valuable. Therefore, fear of losing you kicks in. Number 3, don't let him manipulate you. The easiest way to spot manipulation is by following the logic, not your heart. The heart can be easily deceived and manipulated. It is why it says in the Bible, guard your heart, because the heart can believe what's wrong is right. Ladies, we do not live in a society where everyone is very kind and does the right thing. We have a lot of manipulators and selfish people who aim here to take advantage of you and do not take any responsibility for their nasty behaviors. Therefore, you must guard your heart, follow the logic, observe the other person's actions, behaviors, and do the right thing based on them. Then you will focus on the other person's actions more than their words. You will start to get to know the real person. You will stop putting them on a pedestal and it will become easier to set in boundaries. Number 4, make sure you have a social circle and keep meeting new people. This will create a healthy amount of uncertainty. When you are out and about, it will make him wonder, will you meet someone better? It's also a very good way to test a man. Is he secure and confident, or is he insecure and controlling? So if the guy is insecure, he will start to freak out, panic, get aggressive and controlling. If the guy is secure, he will be happy for you to socialize with other people as long as you are safe. Number 5, emotional control. Why? Because when you control your emotions and when he cannot read you as an open book, it makes him wonder what you are thinking, what you are feeling. If he can read you as an open book because you share all your feelings and emotions, you are actually showing him how much into him you are and giving him a huge amount of safety and security. Safety and security is a woman's love need, not a man's. A man's love need is a healthy amount of uncertainty. This is why when we share our feelings and emotions and thoughts to other women, actually bond with women more. We create deep connections. But that's not how you create a deep connection with a man. You create a deep connection with a man through having fun together and being a challenge. Therefore, ladies, make sure not to wear your heart on your sleeve and control your emotions, even when he is playing games with you and is provoking you to lose emotional control. And how to handle his games, I have a video for sale which I will drop in the video description box below. A lot of people say that guys want what we cannot have, or that you must play games for a man to fall in love with you, such as hot and cold, for example, creating situations to make him jealous, giving him mixed signals, being totally and completely selfish by blindly putting yourself first. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm not saying that this stuff does not work. It does work on teenagers and men that are in their early 20s, and it does also work on men that are in their 50s. For example, stuck in the Peter Pan land and never planning to grow up. However, even though all those games do work, overall we are very toxic. For example, by giving him hot and cold, you are showing him that you're not trustworthy. By canceling on the dates here and there, you are showing him that you are unreliable. By purposely flirting with other men and making him jealous, you can come across very easy and cheap. If you will behave this way long term, he will lose all his respect for you. And without respect, there is no love. Yet, the only reason these games do work because of the idea that he cannot have you, because you are being a toxic challenge for him. However, we can give him a healthy amount of uncertainty and make you a challenge in a most healthy, self-respecting and loving way. And how to be a challenge for a man, check out my video right here. Number 6, let him lead. Let him chase, pursue you, prove himself that he is the one for you. Nowadays, we ladies get it really wrong. We are influenced to chase men, to pursue men, to show them that we are really interested in them. By behaving in this modern way, unknowingly, we actually end up pushing men away and turning them off. Why do we turn men off behaving this way? Because this is a very masculine behavior. Straight men are not attracted to other men. They are attracted to women, and for a man to be attracted to a woman, he needs to be the one pursuing her. He needs to be the one charming her. He needs to be the one showing interest to her. So he needs to be the one calling her, asking her on dates, sweeping her off her feet by buying her flowers, taking her for dinners, being generous, taking the lead, paying the bill, etc. Therefore, when you ladies jump in and do this 50-50 thing and suggest to split the bill, suggest meeting halfway, text him first, arrange the dates, confirm the dates, you are behaving masculine. Not only that it makes us women feel yucky and not good, we are not filling our own love needs, and we are also turning a guy off by not fulfilling his love needs. And if you would like to learn how to make a man lead so he will love you forever, check out my video right here. And here comes the number 7. Keep your value. Don't give away your value, your life for him. When a guy meets a girl, he charms her, seduces her. The girl falls for him. She gets so swept off her feet and she truly falls for him. And it's very natural then for girls to start putting this guy on a pedestal, to start putting their life, their hobbies, their friends, their family members, their goals for granted, because they are having so much fun with this special guy. But ladies, this is a very dangerous path to take, because when you start to take for granted your life, you lose yourself as a person, you lose your value, you lose your worth, and instead of being a girl that he originally fell for, because back then you had your life, you had a lot of things going for you, now he will start to lose attraction for you, because now you are not a girl with a happy, fulfilled life anymore. Now you are more like baggage for him. Therefore, have self-control and keep your value, keep your worth by not taking yourself for granted, by not taking other people around you for granted, and by not taking your life goals and dreams for granted. And this is how you will keep him interested in you, by being interesting and by being interested in yourself, in your life. So ladies, these were my 7 ways on how to get a guy fear losing you. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. I have videos for sale such as how to stay attractive via text, men play on women, how to control your emotions, how to set in healthy boundaries with a guy, Also, you can book me or a member of my team for one-on-one coaching, and we can hold your hand and lead you through the whole relationship or dating. Thank you for watching. Kisses from Dorset. Mwah.